If you're wondering how to use Deel for international employee agreements, you're in the right place. Whether you're managing a global team or hiring talent from different parts of the world, Deel makes the process seamless and compliant with local laws. Stick around till the end because I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Deel and even give you access to an exclusive free trial you won't find anywhere else. Deel is a game changer for companies hiring internationally. What it does is automate the complexities of global hiring while ensuring that all your employee agreements are compliant with local laws, tax regulations, and benefits, no matter where your employees are based. The platform starts by helping you easily create tailored employee contracts that are fully compliant with international labor laws. All you need to do is choose the country where your employee is located. And Deel takes care of everything from payroll, taxes, benefits, and even stock options for your employees. You don't need to worry about navigating complex legal requirements. Deel does the heavy lifting for you. Setting up an international agreement on Deel is simple. First, you create an account on Deel's platform, which is totally free. Then you'll add the employee's details, select their location, and Deel will generate a contract that's tailored to that region's laws. You can choose between different contract types, whether you want a full-time employee, a contractor, or something in between. Deel also gives you the flexibility to customize the contract terms to fit your company's needs, making it more adaptable than other global hiring solutions. One of the best features of Deel is its payroll system. For every international hire, Deel automatically calculates the payroll in the employee's local currency and ensures compliance with tax laws, all while offering multiple payment options. You can pay your international team using Deel's global payment solution or via direct bank transfer, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency. But here's the kicker. Deel handles all the legalities around employment benefits too. When you use Deel for international employee agreements, you ensure that your employees are covered with proper benefits such as healthcare, paid time off, and more, all tailored to their location. This saves you the headache of figuring out what benefits are legally required in each country, and it's especially valuable if you're hiring in multiple countries at once. Another reason Deel stands out is its transparency. You can track every contract, every payment, and every compliance step in one dashboard. You'll always know the status of your employees' agreements, and Deel provides real-time updates, so you're never in the dark about where things stand. Now, here's something I want you to pay attention to. If you're using Deel for your international employee agreements, you're also protecting your company. Deel takes on the responsibility of handling all the legal aspects of international hiring, from contracts to payroll taxes. This removes a significant amount of risk and potential liability from your shoulders. Before I finish, I want to let you know that you can start using Deel for free. That's right. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll get an exclusive extended trial that's not available to everyone else. So, you can try out Deel's powerful features without any cost up front and see for yourself how it can streamline your global hiring process. Remember, Deel isn't just about making international employee agreements easier. It's about giving you peace of mind, knowing that everything is compliant, automated, and transparent. Take advantage of the free trial through the link below and start simplifying your international hiring today. Thanks for watching.